Good morning, Miss Ashley.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, today we're going to do evaluation.
Okay.
So we'll evaluate from the summary points, vocabulary list, and then from the homework. For vocabulary list, and then from the homework. For the homework, main opening the laptop. But for the summary point, can be a miss. You can open it. All right, now we start from summary points. For science, this is about metals and non-metals. Can you explain the difference between them, Miss? Science.
Okay, so actually, the topic is materials around us, and it divides into two groups, metal and non-metals, and they have two differences. Like from metal are good conductors, and
For
also
example, like what?
like copper, like gold is a good conductors, and also they have the high melting and boiling points. But for non-metals like wood, like oxygen, it's not a good conductor. It's a good insulator. So
Insulator.
insulator. It means cannot transfer heat.
It means.
Cannot transfer the electricity also.
How about wood?
Yeah, the wood example. Yeah, wood is a non-metal, and also have the low melting and boiling points.
Okay, so tin. Tin. Is it include to conductor or insulator?
What?
Timah.
Oh, yes, it's
Tin.
metal, miss. Metal.
Okay, so that's it, conductor. Yeah. Okay, so can you explain about this one? Common properties like strength, ductility, malleability.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So which one is that?
Number 2,
Number
for the summary points.
science steel.
Yeah, properties.
Oh wait, I read.
Yeah, there
the
are
wrong one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I
There are
okay,
6.
okay.
Yeah.
So this common properties is for metal actually. Metal is a good have a good ductility, malleability, flexibility, hardness, and conductivity.
Ductility is it like
Ductility, it's mean the
elastis, like that?
actually this is the question for vocabulary. It's ability, the ability to be stretched,
Oh.
so we can stretch it.
Yeah, in bahasa like elastis ya.
In bahasa, yes.
How about malleability?
Malleability is
Is it like soft? Or
no,
what?
it's an ability to roll it into a shape like a gold miss. We can easily to
To make the shape?
to make into a shape.
Conductivity?
Conductivity is the ability to transfer the electricity.
So malleability is almost same with flexibility.
Yes. Flexibility.
Okay. So this one, examples of strong materials include plastic bags. Are you sure? Plastic
one is?
bags. Is that
Yeah. If you compare it with the paper bag. So we have the experiment for this, and we have done this one before. So we need to compare the materials between paper and plastic bag. Which one the stronger, and yeah, which one is the stronger? The answer is plastic bag.
plastic bags? Okay. How about this one? Hardness can be compared using the Mohs scale. What kind of scale is that, Miss?
The scale to
Is it like measuring?
yes, we can measure it.
How can we use that?
How to say, yeah, we can use it like if there's the things like this diamond, use the things to count the hardness actually, miss. Actually, I never use it before.
Mohs
Yeah,
scale.
Mohs. How to say Mohs scale?
Yeah, Mohs scale. I check first.
There is the diamond in our book.
Mohs scale. So did you show this this scale to the student by using the picture?
Actually, there is a line like number line. So so the diamond is the hardest minerals, Miss. There is a line. There is another minerals.
There is a line and then there is a number.
Mm,
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, yes. And the diamond is the hardest.
So for example,
There is copper.
the line onto number 10. So it means that we know that the thing is hard like that. Oh. Okay. Okay, this is for Friday, right? The about melting, boiling. Can you explain that, Miss?
Okay, so melting point is mean like the temperature that we can count it where the solids turns into liquid. Like when you melt an ice cream or another things that can melt. And for the boiling is the temperature where the liquids turn into gases.
Into gases,
Like when you boil the water.
boil the water.
Yeah, water into gas.
Okay. Is it only about boiling point? Is it about boiling so that we can see that the liquids can turn to
Yeah.
gases? Only boiling. So how about the clouds?
The clouds, it's not boiling.
Because in the
it's
morning-
condensed, Miss.
Oh, condense, yeah. That's different, yeah.
Yeah, it's different, and we have learned about it in chapter 7. Previous chapter, state of matter.
Okay. Okay, how about density?
Density is it's mean the ability of for things for a thing to sink.
Two?
Sink.
Oh, okay.
The more denser it thinks, the more denser it's easier to sink.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay. So how about this one? Metals have high melting points. Why? Number 4.
If you ask me why,
This one have.
yeah,
Yeah, can you explain
it's
this?
the characteristic of metals actually. So this is the way how we can identify the metals and non-metals. So
What
the things
kinds-
that have high melting points, we call it as a metals like copper, gold.
Did you bring the real things to the students? You show this one
Actually, no, miss.
include
But
metals.
maybe for science project, I will think about it later because we will have science project, but it's after Chinese New Year holiday.
Oh, it means February, yeah, on February.
Yeah,
Yeah, because
it's
I think
easier.
science is interesting.
Like
And then how to say that? Yeah, we are curious, right? And then we want to know. For example, we are a student, and then we want to know.
oh,
How does it look like? Yeah, the metal. The copper. They just imagine the copper. They want to see the real, right? Actually, I think.
okay.
But maybe you can bring some for the metals and then for the non-metals, according to me.
Okay.
Okay. Now we move to English. Okay, what did you explain here, Miss? Because I see here
Actually,
about
for
months.
today, it's only from the activity book, Miss. But today's topic is about Jason. Jason is an autistic student that he scored good points when playing the basketball. After that,
Is it about hobby as well?
it's about sports
No sports.
because the title is sports.
Sports. Oh,
Yeah,
the
I
title
think.
still sports.
Yeah,
Because last
still
week
the
also
same
sports.
unit.
Oh.
Same unit, Miss. So it's talk about Jason, and after that, Jason become famous, and he write a book, and from that things he got a lot of money, and he decide to help another autism.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about Jason actually for today.
So
And
I mean, what is
also
the?
it's about, I don't write it here, but it's about, I forgot the name. It's also there's another story
So there are two
About
stories.
Huh?
There are two stories.
Yeah, but the main stories is about Jason.
So what is the important thing that you get after you read and explain the story to the students?
The important things.
Maybe the lesson that you can
So,
share to them.
I will ask them to use their hobbies maybe to help another person. But I don't know why ya, Miss. Yeah. Every time I ask them, "What is your hobby? Have you ever go there?" No, Miss. My hobby is sleepy. Sleepy. I don't know how to motivate them. Even they, have you ever go to Sun Plaza? No. How about your holiday? Sleepy.
All of them.
Almost.
Oh,
I don't know why.
maybe you can
So-
share your experience that can motivate them.
I do it, and it's that, yeah, just
Maybe your experience must be more interesting, or maybe from your friends or your relation experience, right?
I tried.
Yeah, that
Because
can motivate
they
them.
just, I'm so lazy, loh, Miss. Don't have money if we go out. Better sleep.
Yeah, if the students like that, we need to give more motivation to them.
Okay.
And then they need the real things that has happened, right? So we can share our experience. Become this one. So from this you can learn this one. I think they will be more motivated.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So actually only about sport. How about the grammar? What kind of grammar do you explain here?
Is ordinal number is grammar?
Pardon?
Ordinal number? No.
No.
I think nothing. Yeah.
No, that's not grammar.
So nothing here.
Yeah.
Iya kan?
Okay.
Because
This
it's
is
only,
season. There are 4 seasons.
yeah, it's
Okay. So
from
how can you explain this?
it's from activity book, Miss. So I just asked them to do it directly.
Oh yeah. You
Without
didn't give any explanation. Okay.
Yeah, for
Winter, spring,
activity
summer,
book.
autumn. Just do that. I mean, have they understood?
I will ask them later.
As long as they understand, I mean, it will be easier for them to do the activity book, right? If like last time for the math, I remember I ever replaced in that class. They were like confused, and then we must explain again. Okay. Now we move to IPA. Oke, ini tentang makhluk hidup. Boleh tolong dijelaskan, Miss?
Sama topiknya dengan minggu lalu, Miss. Klasifikasi makhluk hidup dibagi ke dalam 5 kingdom. Ada Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Terus di sini, khusus kapan ya? Minggu depan kita ada Project IPA itu tentang membuat klasifikasi vertebrata dan invertebrata. Jadi saya memberi mereka list beberapa hewan-hewan, mereka yang akan mengelompokkan hewan tersebut ke dalam vertebrata yang mana, invertebrata yang mana. Sebenarnya sih ini pengulangan sains sih, sains mereka juga sudah pernah belajar, tapi ini dalam bahasa IPA-nya, bahasa Indonesianya.
Jadi berapa contoh yang Miss berikan untuk
dari buku sebenarnya itu, Miss. Ada, kalau tidak salah ada sekitar 10 hewan di situ. Jadi mereka dibagi dalam kelompok. Saya akan memberi mereka kertas, mungkin kertas kartun, mereka akan
kertas karton?
menggambar.
Oh, berarti itu tentang proyek juga? Itu
Iya,
proyeknya?
karena kita setiap, untuk 4 subjek yang saya ajar, setiap akhir bab harus ada proyek. Kecuali English bukan proyek, lebih ke practice, speaking practice gitu.
Presentasi ya.
Kalau science harus project, IPA harus project, math juga harus project.
Jadi nanti Miss kasih mereka kertas karton dan mereka menggambar
Di
atau
bukunya sih tidak, Miss, hanya menuliskan, tetapi mereka harus menuliskan ciri-cirinya juga.
Ciri-cirinya.
Ciri-cirinya. Kan ciri-cirinya banyak ya, ada yang bertulang belakang, ada yang memiliki bulu, ada yang tidak, seperti itu.
Okay. Jadi rencana Miss nanti Miss akan menyuruh mereka mengklasifikasikan berapa jenis gitu. Misalnya yang vertebrata berapa, Invertebrata berapa atau
Ada kan
bagaimana?
ada listnya Miss, 10
Iya.
hewan. Jadi mereka yang memilih.
Hmm.
Jadi kalau
10
menurut-
berarti ya?
Iya, jadi kalau
Berarti
menurut mereka
Miss
semuanya
sudah buat 5 untuk vertebrata, sebenarnya 5
oh,
untuk
enggak Miss,
invertebrata.
itu karena dari buku.
Oh,
Enggak
dari
sama
buku.
jumlahnya. Mereka yang akan saya akan menilai apakah mereka tahu nih.
Hmm.
Jadi nggak harus sama 55, bisa aja 8 dan 2, 7
Oh,
dan
gitu
3,
ya.
seperti itu.
Oke, karena dari buku dia ya.
Iya, dari buku IPA. Berapa gitu.
Alright, now we move to vocabulary. Vocabulary list. This is science. Maybe this will be more difficult, yeah. Because I see here there are 10. But please pass this because if you need to repeat again, you will get penalty. So I hope, yeah. Can you explain about thermal conductivity?
Okay, so thermal conductivity is the ability to transfer the heat. For example, the metal is a good conductor. It's a good thermal conductivity, but the non-metal like wood, it's poor thermal conductivity.
Okay. Electrical conductivity.
So for the electrical conductivity means the ability to transfer the electric, like copper is example of metal. It's a good electrical conductivity, but for non-metal it's a weak electrical conductivity.
Okay, malleability.
It's the ability to stretch.
Ability to
Malleability.
stretch. Are you sure?
Another words, Miss. Not malleability. Another one is
Ductility.
Oh yeah, it's for ductility.
I asked malleability, not ductility.
Malleability is ability to. Clue, please.
To
It's the last lesson actually. For the flexibility is ability to bend, right, Miss? To bend. It's easy
Yes.
for us to bend. But
My question
for
is malleability, not ductility,
is-
not flexibility.
Oh, ability to roll into a shape, like a
Okay.
goat.
Okay, like a
Goat.
okay. Beside gold,
Copper.
copper.
Uh-uh.
Okay. How about non-ductile? Yes,
Non-ductile. It's mean it cannot be stretched.
Oh, so this is the opposite of
Yeah, of ductility.
Oh. Okay, that cannot be stretched. Into?
Yeah, like rubber. Yeah, we cannot stretch it. Like
For example, like how?
for example is book. Like I don't know what I write there, but can I say another
Can they
example?
break easily?
For ductile. Yeah, like glass.
They can break
We
easily.
cannot.
Okay. What is the difference between melting point and boiling point?
Melting point is mean the temperature when melt is solid turn into a liquid, but boiling point is the temperature when boiling is when a liquid turning into a gas.
Okay. How about sonorous?
Sonorous is the things that making sound. Making
Sound?
Yeah,
Any sounds?
noisy.
Like noisy and then?
Sound, right, Miss? The definition.
I mean how? The example. I mean, what is the example?
Like when you clap your hands, it's making sound. Sonorous.
Oh, any sounds, yeah.
Yes, any sound.
Okay. Can we move to English? Coach, what is that?
Coach is the person who teach or guides a team, like a teacher, but teacher is for students, but here it's for the sports. like a coach for football, basketball.
So coach, is it only for
In this
sport?
lesson,
Oh, in this lesson.
because our topic is basketball.
Okay, crowd.
Crowded is a large amount of people. Like if you go to mall when it's Christmas, when it's New Year, so many person.
Mrs.
Mrs. It's mean if you fail to get a goal, like last time I miss
We? Like what?
fail to get to shoot into a goal.
To a target?
Yeah, like last time I miss this.
How does it look like? Example?
Like last time miss,
What?
I missed the subject evaluation. Yeah, that's mean I'm failed. But today I hope no.
All right. Okay. Autism.
Autism is the person who have a special condition actually, which it make the person hard to communicate to how to say to communicate with another.
To interact with other people, you mean?
Yeah. So this story is talk about Jason. It's an autistic student.
Okay. You say this Jason is autism, right?
Yeah.
But how can he be successful? For example, like you said
because-
just now, like he can build the place for the autism people.
because he actually it's the
Can we cure this kind of people?
what do you mean? Can we
Mengobati
with therapy ya Miss ya?
with therapy. So how about the Justin ya, the name ya?
No,
How
Jason.
about him? Jason.
Jason actually there like here in this school he joined the normal students, but he have he has a shadow teacher that focus for him, and then he's a kind student actually. So many students that love him. So that's why there is a chance to him to play the basketball. Actually, at first, so many the teachers, I mean the shadow teacher, worry he cannot
Survive?
help. Yeah, he cannot survive. But after that, there's some miracle. Maybe he scored how many points? 6.3.
At the top. The
Yeah.
score.
After that, he became famous, and then the president want to meet him.
Maybe you can give this kind of motivation also to them.
Yeah, I'll try. Like,
JHS.
I'll try it.
Yes, I think.
I'll try.
How can be normal people like us cannot be like him? Like that, for example.
Even he is special with a special. Yeah.
It can be success, look. Like that. All right, now we move to IPA. Apa itu kingdom, Miss?
Kingdom adalah pengklasifikasian makhluk hidup, Miss. Di mana bisa dicontohkan sebagai kingdom animalia ataupun plantae ataupun monera, protista, dan satu lagi fungi.
Kunci determinasi?
Kunci determinasi adalah kunci untuk mengetahui bagaimana cara mengelompokkan makhluk hidup tersebut, biasanya menggunakan gambar dan pertanyaan.
Oke. Taksonomi.
Taksonomi adalah tingkatan-tingkatan di dalam kingdom tersebut. Jadi ada namanya family, ada namanya genus, ada namanya spesies.
Spesies.
Ya, spesies dalam bahasa Indonesia.
Klasifikasi?
Cara untuk mengelompokkan makhluk hidup berdasarkan kesamaan ciri-ciri ataupun sifat.
Okay. So what is the melting point of copper?
1085 degrees Celsius.
All right. What is the main property of a material that determines whether it can conduct electricity?
It's wait, miss. I know the answer. It's con- conduct. What's conduct something?
Before conduct.
What is before conduct? Give me a clue, please.
From E?
Huh?
From E?
Electrical conductivity.
Okay, so is it true that copper has a low boiling point?
It's false,
False,
because
yeah.
copper is a metal. All metals has a good, high melting and boiling points. False, right?
All right, your answer just now, right? The melting point of copper is 1085, right?
1000
85.
okay, yeah, kan?
1085, right?
Yes.
But for the second part, the point is 2560.
Huh?
The copper. Oh, this is high boiling point. Oh, so it means that 1085 is not the highest.
No, but the boiling
So
point.
it until it can reach
Yeah.
until
Yeah, that one is
this one
the highest.
2560. Wow, that's so hot, yeah.
Even 100, even
Yes,
when
that's
we bought
right.
it's
We cannot imagine that.
maybe we will burned.
Maybe I think our skeleton become ash. Okay. So why is it important to understand the cycle properties of materials when choosing materials for making
Okay.
products?
Thank you. So it's really important for us, so we know the best choice to. For example, we want to get the things to cooking. Like when we use the metal as a holding, how to say holding?
It can.
Holding hand, it can burn our hands. So it's important to us to know that wood is a good choice. For example, like that. Yes. So it's give us a knowledge actually to make a good choice.
Okay. Okay, now we move to English. So this is story about Jason, yeah, because most of the questions
Yeah.
are from the story. So what suggestion did Nina make when it started raining?
Yeah, because Nina and Dave, yeah. Nina and Dave actually want to golf, yeah. Want to go to another, want to go to.
Is this the second story?
Yeah, this is the second story. Nina and Dave want to go out. I think want to go out, but it's rainy. So Nina suggests to watch the online movie. Online what?
Are you sure?
But Nina suggests to watching, miss, watching.
Watching what?
Watching lah.
Yeah, what kind of things that they watch?
Watching I don't know, miss.
Alright, we skip.
What? They watch what?
You read later. You ask me.
Okay.
Okay. So what should you use to talk about specific days of the week?
Huh?
What should you use to talk about specific days of the week?
Like on and in?
What should you use?
On?
Days.
Days?
On.
On Friday.
Okay. How about time?
At.
So what is the main reason Jason become famous?
Because he's really kind. he wants
He's really kind.
he wants to use his
How can you say that he's kind? Is he about a helping person?
he helping another autism.
Oh. Okay, now we move to IPA. IPA no cek, right? Nah, ini IPA. Apa yang membedakan Kingdom Monera dengan kingdom lainnya?
Dia bersel satu, beda dengan yang
Bersel?
Satu.
Satu. Kingdom apakah yang mencakup organisme yang memiliki inti sel?
Kingdom
Iya.
Monera ya.
Monera?
Apa pilihan Miss? Itu protista yang mana itu? Lupa.
Ada pula dua-duanya. Apa jawabannya, Miss?
Protista.
Protestan. Apa yang dimaksud dengan super kingdom dalam klasifikasi makhluk hidup?
Klasifikasi tertinggi setelah kingdom.
Oh, oke. Tahun berapa sih Herbert F. Copeland ini mengusulkan sistem klasifikasi 3 kingdom?
Kenapa tahunnya Miss tanya Miss?
Ada soalnya.
Mana ada tahunnya ditanya?
Ada.
Namanya
Tahun berapa?
Nggak ingat aku tahunnya, aku ingat namanya Miss.
Miss perlu ingat loh. Miss buat soalnya itu tapi Miss lupa.
Kan pertanyaannya nama. 1000-an lah.
1938.
Oke.
Apakah itu benar atau salah dia mengusulkan sistem klasifikasi ini? 3 kingdom ini.
Si Herbert?
Iya.
Salah. Dia
Salah.
4.
Oke. Kingdom apa aja yang keempat itu?
Yang keempat itu dia apa? Emang ada di situ Miss? Kayaknya nggak ada.
Miss perlu tahu juga.
Dia
Miss perlu tahu
di
juga.
situ kayaknya belum ada tentang membedakan apa ya?
Salah satunya ada, ingat Miss?
Salah satunya dia
Kingdomnya.
itu ada yang utama itu ada Animalia, Plantae. Yang dua ini yang nggak masuk itu saya lupa antara Pumi atau Protista gitu. Pokoknya 2 kingdom ini udah pasti ada.
Pokoknya dia mengklasifikasikan 4 bukan 3 ya?
Bukan.
Kingdom Monera hanya mencakup organisme yang memiliki inti sel. Apakah itu benar? Kingdom Monera.
Salah.
Kenapa?
Karena dia prokariota yang tidak memiliki inti sel.
Jadi siapa yang mempopulerkan klasifikasi sistem 4 kingdom tersebut?
Di soal ini jawabannya Stenir van Niel.
Tapi tadi si Herbert juga 4.
Ada juga dia, ada juga si Stenir van Niel ini.
Tapi
Makanya
kingdom
banyak
mereka
kan.
berbeda yang mereka klasifikasikan.
Sama. Jadi sama-sama terkenal.
Siapa yang duluan?
Yang duluan si Herbert.
Si Herbert. Apa yang dimaksud dengan organisme eukariotik?
Organisme yang memiliki inti sel.
Mengapa penting melakukan klasifikasi makhluk hidup?
Supaya kita bisa mengetahui mereka atau mempelajari tentang makhluk hidup ini dengan lebih mudah.
Jadi dampaknya apa jika kita tidak melakukan klasifikasi makhluk hidup
Akan
dengan
sangat
baik?
sulit bagi kita untuk mempelajari tentang mereka.
Okay, I think Miss enough for the evaluation for today. Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss, please read again for that one. How to say that?
Nina ya.
Yeah, the story, the second
Okay.
story, right? And then, even though there is a question like just now, right? We need to remember
Okay.
also the year, right? The name of the person. But for almost all, you could explain and develop your explanation. So I think in this evaluation, you pass.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes.
Finally.